Hello, it's Richard Smith here from Amazing ICT, and I'm going to show you how to transfer a file, a coded file from here on the iPad to the Microbit. So let's get started. So the first thing you do is you go to the App Store and you find the Microbit app, and it's free. It's written by Lawrence Rogers and it's got this nice logo. So what you do is you download it, and in this case I've downloaded it already, so I'm going to open it, and then you go to the home page. So there's several things you can do here. So the first thing you can do is to pair up your Microbit with that iPad. So you've got to click on choose Microbit. Now each Microbit has got its own code and you have to pair it. So I'm going to go to pair a new Microbit, and then this is quite difficult because you have to press A and B and then you have to press the reset button but then let go of it. You mustn't hold it in. So let me just show you that. So if we just zoom in on the Microbit. So hold A and B and then press the reset button, which is on the back, and then let go. And you've got to wait for those 25 lights to appear, and then it gives you a code. So we're trying to get that code now, the same code, onto the iPad. So can you see it's a row of 5 at the bottom and then 3 above. So you go to next, and then you have to type that in. So you're going to get rid of those so that that's exactly right, and then you go to next. And then it says in a minute you're going to have to press button A, but not yet. You go to next and it's looking for it, and then it's pairing it up, it's connecting them. So you have to be patient and wait. And then it says successfully paired. It's doing that via Bluetooth. So you go to OK. So then you go back to the home button and you want to create some code. So I'm going to do a little times table game. So the input will be when I shake the iPad, it's going to choose a number between 0 and 12, a random number. It's going to wait a second, 1,000 milliseconds, then it's going to show the letter X, the string X, and it's going to wait another 1,000, so another second, then it's going to choose a second random number, and then it's going to show equals. I put that in the end, at the end, the blank 5x5 square, just to make it go blank on the screen. So that's my code. So I've got to save it. It saves it to the iPad. And then you can see these are all your programs. So that's called times table 2. It's my second one. And then you've got to flash it. You've got to send it from here to here using Bluetooth. So you click on flash and then it's looking for it. Okay. So it's trying to connect and then it's sending it. And then it should be on there. Can I just say at this stage, sometimes you do have to, if it doesn't find it, just press the 2 front ones and the back one and take your finger off for it to find it. But in this case, it's found it. So you go to OK, and then hopefully it should be on here. So make sure you've got some decent batteries. Sometimes I test the batteries on a Microbit that I know is already programmed with just say a tick on it, so I can check the batteries, and then hopefully when I shake it I'll get my calculation. So 8 times 11 is 88. Let's do another one. 10 times 6 equals 60. So thank you for watching, and my website's www.amazingict.co.uk.